Hello, welcome to part 2. The other video ended a little bit early, so we'll just start on this one. So officials evacuated the town of Colima. Scientists used special equipment to determine when the volcano will erupt. A safety zone that includes Colima has been created, and no one is allowed in that area. So the way to keep them safe is they made a safety zone. Number 6, scientists can predict the next eruption of a volcano based on its history of eruptions. What information from the text supports this conclusion? So first I'm going to look, and then I'll look at my answers. So what supports the history that they know when an eruption will be based on the history? So I see right here they study the pattern of eruptions, and experts can use their studies to predict the time period when there might be a large explosive eruption. So let me highlight my evidence and we'll see which one matches. The study, this is the very first one. The study of the pattern of activity. That's the part of the text that shows the evidence. A. Number 7. The Colima volcano in Mexico has roared to life again. In this sentence, another phrase that would mean about the same as roared to life. This is figurative language. What would also mean roared to life? What did the volcano do? Did it shout loudly? No. Act like a lion? No. Suddenly became active? Yes, it is now an active volcano. Number 9. This passage is mainly about, well, first I'm going to think about what it's mostly about. It's mostly about the volcano next to Colima and how scientists are keeping people safe and trying to track when it is coming. So let's see if something is similar to that. The safety measures taken in preparation for Colima's volcano next eruption, so maybe that. The dangers facing the people of Colima who live near it. It didn't really talk about the dangerous part, so probably not B. The next big eruption of Colima that scientists are expecting. They talked a little bit about that. The way the volcano eruption starts after a long period of being dormant. No, it didn't talk about that. I didn't even see the word dormant in there. So let's see which one it talked about more, C or A. So the safety measures taken in preparation for the volcano's next eruption. Now, although it did talk about that, it only talked about that in some paragraphs, not in the whole story. So when we're looking at the main idea, we're looking at what happens in the whole story. The next big eruption of Colima that scientists are expecting. Well, in every single paragraph, it was talking about the next big eruption. So C is the main idea. Number 9, we have a new paragraph. How a volcano works. Volcanoes are openings called vents on the surface of Earth. Volcanoes can be active, currently erupting or erupted a long time ago, or dormant, not currently active, but likely to erupt someday, or extinct, unlikely to erupt again. Magma is hot, melted rock beneath the surface of the Earth. When magma erupts onto the surface of the Earth, it is called lava. Magma collects in chambers beneath Earth's surface. After pressure from gas in the magma builds up, the magma erupts out of volcanoes. Volcanoes let out gases, ash, steam, and lava. Which term is used to describe a volcano when that will never erupt again? So I'll go back. Which one said never erupt again? Unlikely to erupt again. Extinct is the word they use, extinct. Read these sentences from the passage. Magma collects in chambers beneath the Earth's surface. After pressure from gases in the magma builds up, the magma erupts out of volcanoes. Volcano let out gases, ash, steam, and lava. In this text, what does the word pressure refer to? Does it mean released gases of the chambers? The force of gases in the magma, the eruption of gases from the volcano, or a mixture of gas and magma that collects in chambers. The pressure from the gas would be the force of the gas in the magma. Once you're finished, you can go ahead and submit and then move on to the next activity for today.